I will never underestimate a deer again after learning this. Or you need to watch this if you think deer are just gentle grazers. The sable deer isn't just another pretty face in the animal kingdom. It's a battle genius. Armed with sharp antlers and quick reflexes, the sable deer can take on predators like a boss. It's like watching a kung fu movie, Nature Edition. These deer are smart too. They use their environment to outmaneuver and outsmart their foes. Imagine a deer dodging and weaving like a pro boxer. And get this, sable deer even have a strategy. They charge, retreat, and circle back, keeping their enemies always guessing. So next time you think of deer as just gentle grazers, remember the sable deer, nature's true battle genius,